Have you ever felt confused during a confrontation? You're not alone. Many people experience this, especially within abusive situations. Today, we're diving into DARVO, a manipulative tactic often used by abusers. DARVO stands for Deny, Attack, and Reverse Victim and Offender. It's crucial to understand this tactic for your emotional well-being. Let's break it down step by step. First, the abuser denies the abuse. They might say, "I didn't do that," or "You're imagining things." This denial can leave victims questioning their reality. Next, the abuser attacks. They may lash out verbally, shaming the victim with phrases like, "You're crazy," or "You always overreact." This shifts the focus away from their behavior. Finally, the abuser reverses the victim and offender roles. They might say, "You're the one who hurt me," flipping the narrative. This tactic can confuse victims and cause them to doubt their experiences. This process can happen quickly, making it hard for victims to react. Understanding DARVO is important in recognizing if you're dealing with manipulation. Consider this example. Imagine someone criticizes your work. Instead of addressing the feedback, they say, "You're never satisfied," and act hurt. This response is a classic DARVO move. In summary, DARVO is a harmful tactic. It involves denying the abuse, attacking the victim, and reversing roles. Recognizing this behavior can empower you to respond effectively. If you find yourself in a situation with someone using DARVO, prioritize your mental health. Seek support from friends, family, or professionals. Remember, you're not alone in this. For more insights on abuse tactics, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for updates. Your journey toward understanding and healing starts here. To add more examples to support your points on DARVO, consider the following. 1. Work situation. A manager receives a complaint about their aggressive management style. Instead of acknowledging the concern, the manager responds, "I can't believe you would say that. You're always making drama at work." This deflection shifts the blame onto the employee. 2. Personal relationship. During an argument, one partner reveals emotional hurt caused by the other's actions. The accused partner retorts, "You're just looking for reasons to be upset. You're making me feel awful for no reason." This response denies the validity of the partner's feelings while attacking their character. 3. Family dynamics. A child attempts to confront a parent about neglect. The parent denies any wrongdoing and instead says, "You're such an ungrateful child. After everything I've done for you." This tactic reverses the roles, making the child feel guilty for expressing their feelings. 4. Online interactions. An individual is bullied online and confronts the bully about their behavior. The bully responds, "You're just being sensitive. Why are you making such a big deal out of this?" This denies responsibility and belittles the victim's feelings. These examples can further emphasize the manipulative nature of DARVO and its impact on victims.